Bharat Electric Store. Today, we are presenting you. Welcome to the new age of refrigeration. It's look from bottom, top and the center. It is well equipped with advanced adaptive intelligence technology. It can senses, adapts and controls. So you can get fresh food for long lasting time. It can maintain uniform cooling with its 3D airflow technology. It's divided in different temp zones. Zone selectors gives you the power to adjust cooling. Portable ice tray helps you to carry and serve ice cubes. It only makes 36 decibels, so this is silent as library. So come at our Bharat Electric Store. Address: Shop number 3 Midtown Plaza opposite UMRAO Hotel Safido Road Zeen. Contact us 9416108829 8708801516.